Welcome to Journey's Journey. In today's video, we're embarking on a remarkable journey through the heart of Europe as we explore the top 10 must-visit destinations in France. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss out on our exciting journeys. Nestled in the heart of Europe, France is a country of unparalleled beauty and rich history. From its iconic cities to its charming countryside, France offers a diverse range of experiences for travelers. Let's get started. Number 10, Mont Saint-Michel. Our journey begins with the enchanting Mont Saint-Michel, a rocky island commune in Normandy. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is famed for its stunning medieval abbey that seems to rise miraculously from the sea. Explore the narrow, winding streets and immerse yourself in the timeless beauty of this architectural marvel. Number 9, Château de Chambord. Located in the Loire Valley, the Château de Chambord is a masterpiece of the French Renaissance. With its double helix staircase and magnificent architecture, it's a true gem. Stroll through the vast gardens and revel in the grandeur of this historic chateau. Number 8, Paris. Of course, no visit to France would be complete without a stop in the city of love, Paris. Admire the iconic Eiffel Tower, explore the world-renowned Louvre Museum, and take a leisurely cruise along the Seine River to soak in the romantic ambience of this splendid city. Number 7, Provence. Head south to the picturesque region of Provence, known for its stunning lavender fields, charming villages, and delightful cuisine. Stroll through local markets, savor regional wines, and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of this sun-soaked region. Number 6, Loire Valley. The Loire Valley boasts a remarkable collection of chateaux, each with its own unique charm. From Château de Chenonceau spanning the Cher River to Château de Villandry's exquisite gardens, the Loire Valley is a paradise for history and architecture enthusiasts. Number 5, Palace of Versailles. Step back in time at the Palace of Versailles, a symbol of absolute monarchy in the Ancien Regime. Explore the opulent palace, wander through the Hall of Mirrors, and revel in the grandeur of the beautifully landscaped gardens. Number 4, French Riviera. The French Riviera, or Côte d'Azur, is a glamorous playground along the Mediterranean coast. From the glitzy city of Nice to the artistic allure of Saint-Paul-de-Vence, this region offers a mix of culture, natural beauty, and seaside relaxation. Number 3, Normandy. Normandy's historical significance is undeniable, and the D-Day beaches stand as a testament to the Allied forces' bravery during World War II. Pay your respects at these hallowed sites, and then explore the charming towns and stunning coastline of this region. Number 2, the Dordogne. The Dordogne, also known as Périgord, is famous for its picturesque villages, prehistoric cave art, and delectable cuisine. Delve into history at sites like Lascaux and explore the timeless beauty of Sarlat La Cañada. Number 1. French Alps and Mont Blanc. Our journey culminates in the awe-inspiring French Alps, home to Mont Blanc, Western Europe's highest peak. Whether you're an adventure seeker or simply seeking breathtaking views, this region offers outdoor activities, charming alpine villages, and natural wonders that will leave you spellbound. And that concludes our voyage through the top 10 must-visit destinations in France. From the iconic landmarks to the hidden gems, France has something for every traveler. Thanks for joining us on Journey's Journey. Stay tuned for more inspiring travel adventures from around the world.